Welcome back to Antique Hardware Supply, the channel where we explore the fine details that bring character and charm to your home. Today, we're diving into the world of curtain tiebacks, where style meets function. From classic rope designs to sleek post and hook styles, we'll show you how these small accents can make a big impact in any space. When it comes to finishing the look of your window treatments, curtain tiebacks are one of those small details that can make a big difference. They're practical, they're decorative, and they've been a staple in interior design for centuries. Curtain tiebacks first rose to prominence in the grand estates of Europe during the 17th and 18th centuries. Back then, heavy drapes were used not just for privacy, but for insulation, and tiebacks were essential for keeping those elaborate fabrics in place. Over time, what began as a purely functional solution became a decorative statement all its own. Today, curtain tiebacks come in a wide range of styles, each suited to different fabrics, interiors, and design preferences. Let's start with post-style tiebacks. These consist of a fixed post or knob that's mounted on the wall, usually a few inches from the window frame. The curtain is simply draped around the post, giving a tailored and structured appearance. Post tiebacks are often made of wood, metal, or ceramic and can be either understated or highly decorative. This style works especially well in modern, transitional, or even eclectic interiors where clean lines and minimal hardware are key. They're best paired with lighter to medium-weight curtains and are ideal for rooms where you want a neat, functional look with a subtle decorative touch. Next, there are rope tiebacks, one of the most classic and timeless options. Made from twisted cords, braids, or even silky tassels, rope tiebacks bring a sense of softness and tradition to a room. They're often seen in more formal spaces, think traditional dining rooms, vintage-inspired bedrooms, or historic homes with detailed moldings and rich fabrics. Rope tiebacks are perfect for framing heavy drapes, especially those made of velvet, brocade, or damask. The tactile nature of the rope also adds visual interest, whether you're going for an opulent look or something more relaxed and rustic. And finally, we have the hook-style tiebacks. These are some of the most versatile and user-friendly tiebacks you can use. A simple curved hook is mounted to the wall, allowing you to casually loop the curtain behind it. Hook tiebacks come in a wide range of finishes, like brushed nickel, antique brass, matte black, and can blend seamlessly into almost any decor style, from farmhouse to industrial to coastal. They're a great match for medium to lightweight curtains and are perfect if you want an easy, fuss-free way to hold your curtains back while still adding some visual polish. No matter which style you choose, curtain tiebacks serve both a decorative and functional purpose. They allow you to let in natural light, highlight your window frames, and create visual symmetry across a room. And just like the curtains themselves, tiebacks are a design detail that speaks to your personal style. Thanks for watching today's episode from Antique Hardware Supply. Whether you prefer a traditional look or something more tailored and modern, the right curtain tieback can complete your room in a subtle but powerful way. Make sure to check the description below. We've included links to all the styles and finishes featured in today's video so you can shop or browse at your own pace. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video about timeless design, classic hardware, and everything in between.